Hey there, thanks for watching my Nova review by Jono Armstrong and Robin Palmer, where I'm not just going to walk you through this sales page and show you the demo video like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie, I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This review is based on my honest opinion of actually purchasing this product and logging into the dashboard myself. I'm going to take you with me as we research this product, the strategy they want you to use, and any problems that I see with it. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when our next video comes out. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as I can. Now, let's see what Nova promises us. This is a new sneaky software that uses Tesla-like smart automation to flood your link with free buyer traffic from 1 billion potential buyers at the push of a button. They're making $900 to $1,200 daily. Now it's your turn. Set and forget system with no fees and only 60 seconds of effort. If we scroll down just a bit, they do give us 3 easy steps. We are going to step 1, enter your desired link into Nova that you want traffic sent to. Step 2, automation. You're going to activate Nova's built-in smart automation to put your link in front of over 1 billion potential buyers. And step 3, you're going to profit. Enjoy the feeling of sales notifications coming in day after day, even while you sleep. In all fairness, Nova did come out in February of 2021, so this is not a new product. And here we are in the Nova dashboard. Immediately when you come in, you have a shirtless Jono Armstrong and an upsell button for some of his training. Next is a couple of seconds of an overview of the system. And then you actually want to go to the third one next to set up your offers and your tutorial. Here they want you to pick from one of 3 products that they are giving you done for you material with. The first thing they don't tell you is that you will have to wait for approval on these products to get an affiliate link to promote them. If you guys want to know about a cool new site called Digistore24 that has no wait for approval on affiliate products, be sure to click the link for the video above. Ministry of Freedom is supposed to be your high ticket item. If we look at Jono Armstrong on Warrior Plus, he does have 250 sales for this particular product, but he is selling it under a different name as well. And this one has about 1,000 sales. Next is GrooveFunnels. You're going to want to sign up with GrooveFunnels. They do have a free option. If we look at their pricing, in December, they will have a monthly plan coming. Total cost is $19.97. And then they do have 2 different payment plans that you can do. But you will need to come in and sign up for the free plan so that you can get Groove pages and that you can import the codes so you can have an opt-in page and a thank you page. This is what your opt-in page will look like. And I don't see any GDPR buttons or anything like that. So you may need to come in here and make sure that this legally applies to whatever it is you are going to do with it. They also tell you to connect this to an autoresponder, but that the training for that is out of the scope of this product. So just YouTube it and good luck. That's the second thing they don't tell you. You will need an autoresponder for this to work, and you will need to know how to connect it properly in Groove pages. They also tell you if you don't want to use this, that you should use the automatically generate your campaigns here button. And the third thing they don't tell you is that you should actually use them together for maximum benefit so that you can collect email addresses and start sending them helpful information and future offers. The third product is for Empire. This is supposed to be a recurring commission for you. It's $1 up front for 14 days and then $37 a month. So you would receive some small portion of that as a commission with this. And those are the 3 products they have done for you with this automatic generator. If we take a look, you would fill in the information, whichever affiliate product you got approved for out of the 3 that they give you. Once you put that information in, it does generate a link for you. I used XYZ as my name. So this is the only chance of your brand name being seen is somewhere down here where nobody ever looks. So this URL, you do not own it. It is not branded for your company. And if anything happens to this link, you have no way to recover it to continue making money with it. They also give you a bonus link. Let's take a look at our page. First thing when you come in here, you see Robin Palmer's face. So this is not your face or your video. You have the option to go straight to YouTube to watch this video. So whoever you send this to, may never make it down to your affiliate link here. But this is what the done for you template looks like. Next, you would want to go to the installing TikTok extension, which Nova is a Chrome extension. They tell you how to install it, and then they tell you how to use it. You will need to log into TikTok on your desktop. They want you to find an influencer in your niche and then go down and find their most popular video. Once you've done that, you will open Nova on your browser and then you will set your settings and start. Nova will then follow every single person that commented on this video. This is what they are calling warm traffic because they are assuming if somebody is watching your influencers videos that they must be interested in your niche as well. However, there's a reason that they give you settings here, and this is the fourth thing that they don't tell you. You can get your TikTok account banned because there are follow limits. I found this article on socialtipster.co linked below in the description. If we look at TikTok's daily follow limit, you can safely follow up to 200 users per day. This will depend on the age of the account because newer accounts tend to reach that limit pretty fast, and aged ones tend to do more follows and have fewer blocks. They actually found that with one of their newer accounts, they could only do about 140 follows per day before they started getting follow blocks. So if you break this down into per hour, because this is a business for you, right? So you're probably going to be working at least 8 hours a day. This is going to come to 25 follows per hour, and you can only perform up to 15 in one session. So you would need to do 10 follow actions, maybe 15, and take a 10 to 15 minute break, and then go on to the next session until you reach the 25 follows per hour. There's also a general follow limit, and there's a little bit of a question on whether it's 10,000 or 2,000. And with experiments that they've run, they've had accounts that were at one time following more than 9,000 followers. Do they think it's a great idea to follow that many users? Not really, especially if you're running a niche TikTok account. You should only follow accounts in the same niche as yours. The fewer you follow, the easier it's going to be to keep up with their content and interact with them. This helps TikTok to know to who to show your content. So if you're using Nova Automated to just randomly follow people, you're going to need to go back into your TikTok and do some work. The last part of the training is case studies. Out of the 4 provided, only one of them has anything to do with TikTok. I found out that in upsell number 3, after you've paid $354, you can actually get an Instagram Nova and a Twitter Nova. But we're going to focus on TikTok since that's what the front end is about. In here, Digital Dave's marketing on TikTok gives us a 2-day case study where he does increase his followers by 200 per day. So I took a look at those numbers from back in February. And if we take a look at his current account now in September, his numbers have only gone up by half a person following a day, half a follower a day, and about 1.7 likes a day. The last TikTok that he made, again, was in February. So he is not maintaining this or continuing to use Nova on it. So what is the strategy that Nova is trying to get you to use from top to bottom? They want you to come in here and pick one of the 3 products, wait for approval so that you can promote it with an affiliate link, and put that link in your TikTok bio. The 5th thing they don't tell you is that personal accounts on TikTok don't allow you to place a clickable link in your profile, but business accounts do. Now they're free, but it would be such a hassle if you set up a personal TikTok because they did not tell you you will need a business one. Then you're going to come and install your Nova Chrome extension and go into TikTok. Find an influencer in your niche and then find their most popular video. Once you open the video, you will go into your Chrome extensions and open Nova, set your settings so you don't get your account banned, and start following all these people. The goal is that they notice that you followed them, they come back and check out your profile, follow you back, and pray they click that link and possibly buy something from you. So here's the 6th thing that they don't tell you about using TikTok as a strategy for affiliate marketing. If you want to grow your presence on TikTok, the ideal amount of posts publishing daily need to be between 1 and 3 times each day. If you do the math on that, that is 3 videos times 7 days a week. If you're only working 5 days, you need to publish 21 TikTok videos in 5 days and then schedule 2 days worth so you can have some time off. That is going to be a lot of work. Do you know how to script, film, edit, and post a TikTok video, much less to do 21 of them in 5 days? You also need to monitor your account, because if you get to 10,000 followers on TikTok, you won't be able to follow anyone else unless you unfollow some. And unfollowing that many users will obviously take time, especially because there are also unfollow limits for TikTok that you will need to observe. Nonetheless, there are automation tools for TikTok that you can use to gradually unfollow. Nova never said anything about unfollowing. Nova's just going to follow. I did a Google search for TikTok bots, and as we scroll down, we can see there are tons of them out there that views, like, and follow. They comment, and some of them will unfollow as well. If this is a strategy that you want to use and you know the time it's going to take and you know the monitoring that it is going to be involved. Let's be clear, I do not suggest automating your likes, comments, follows, or views. You need to do that yourself so you know what's going on in your TikTok platform, so you know your customers, you build genuine connections, and they know you. But if you are going to automate this part of your TikTok strategy, go find another product that is actually going to do all of the things you want it to, instead of just wasting your time on a simple product that is just going to follow and could get your account banned. If we take a look at the pricing and the upgrades for Nova, on the front end it is $13. Upgrade number 1 is your Pro Edition at $47. Upgrade number 2 is your Done For You at $97. Upgrade number 3 at $197 is where you will get an Instagram Chrome extension and a Twitter Chrome extension. Those platforms have follow and unfollow limits that you will not get training on in here. And your last upgrade, number 4, is going to be your license rights at $197. All total, Nova's going to cost you $551 for a product that could get your TikTok account banned. And they tell you that step number 1 is to enter your link into Nova. We never enter a link into Nova. They know that. Why would that be step 1? And it's going to be a lot longer than 60 seconds of effort if you're having to wait for approval for an affiliate link. Guys, please don't waste your time, your money, or your energy on Nova. I hope this review answered all of your questions. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If this video helped you out, please be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when our next video comes out. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching!